Section 1. Right foot, back lock, recover, left quarter turn right foot, side. Left foot behind with right foot hitch. Behind, left quarter turn forward. Right foot, forward step, left pivot, half turn with sweep. Forward, left sweep, with step, cross, side, behind. Facing 12 o'clock. Sectional count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Section 2. Right foot, side rock, recover, cross. Left quarter turn left foot, forward with right foot sweep. Twinkle step, cross, side rock, recover. Left foot, cross with right foot quarter turn hitch. Right foot forward, left foot forward, right half turn with left foot hitch. 3 run. Left, right, left. Facing 12 o'clock. Section 2 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and Section 3. Right side, push, recover, push, recover, push, recover. Right foot, forward, left foot forward, right pivot, half turn. Left side, push, recover, push, recover, push, recover, twinkle step, cross, side rock, recover, facing 6 o'clock. Section 3 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and Section 4. Half turn, walk around. Left 1/8 turn, right foot, walk. Left quarter turn, walk. Left 1/8 turn, walk. Left foot side out, right foot out, left foot back. Right foot back with left foot hook. Left foot forward, right foot forward step. Right half turn, left foot back. Right half turn, right foot forward. Right half turn, back. Facing 6 o'clock. Section 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and Take 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, Restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, full count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5, 6, 7, 8, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5, 6, 7, 8, and up.